Well, hey friends, Catherine here from CatherinePooler.com. If you are new to my channel, I hope you will subscribe so I see you again on another video. Today, we are going to make a June monthly calendar spread using the June Club Canvo. The subscribers to this program received this stamp set in Stencil at the beginning of May, so they are all set and ready to make their June spreads. If you're not a subscriber, you can get in by the last day of the month to receive the following month's subscription. And you can see we have a strawberry theme going on and this fabulous half calendar stencil. So if you aren't subscribed, you can head over to the shop now and grab yours. So here's how the half calendar stencil works. See how easy it is to just lay it on your page, trace inside those boxes, and boom, you have a month's calendar. So there is more to making easy calendars in the June Club Canvo. You can see I did a little practicing here on my practice pad. Practice pads are very valuable. I know, because I mess up all the time. I usually forget to use my practice pad. I should stop doing that. But hopefully you can learn from my mistakes. But June begins on the 1st and it's a Saturday, so there is one box at the top, and then there's 4 more weeks with actually one on the other end, which you'll see when I stamp it on the left. But it's also really handy to have a calendar, like the calendar from your phone or your computer nearby, so you can figure out where your boxes go. But we had this cute little dotted stamp designed. I thought it would be really super cute for your handmade cards, as well as stamping out for the days of the week in a monthly spread. So look how easy that is. Super duper easy. I used It's a Girl and Melon ink. Our inks are foam pads, and foam transfers ink to a stamp beautifully, so you get a full coverage when you stamp. Really super easy to do. If you're not familiar with our ink pads, head over to CatherinePooler.com/ink and you can learn all about them. We have full-size ink pads as well as little mini ink pads that come in a cute little storage box, so those are really convenient too. So I'm just going to add the days of the week here and number my days, and this is a great month at a glance. Super fun. What other color combinations would you do? This is a Strawberry Patch theme stamp set, so I'm going with pink, red, green. I would love to know what you would do for your color scheme. Leave me a comment below in the comment section. So now I'm grabbing the Hello June, that fun scripty June, love it. And then we have some border stamps. These are gonna be great to do like little maybe important dates, events, birthdays for the month. Maybe you write down goals. It's a bullet journal. So you guys, this is whatever you want it to be. You can track anything or nothing. You can do to-do lists. You can do whatever you want. Use it as an art journal. Whatever. Maybe you want to write out your books to read or movies to watch, or gosh, the sky's the limit. So now I'm going to grab my cute little strawberries. I'm going to do a couple of those in Rockin red. And then I'm going to do the little strawberry tops and my cute little greeting on there, and I'm done. That whipped up pretty quick. Now, of course, the video is faster because I cut some things out and I sped it up so that it's great for your viewing pleasure. But yeah, it really didn't take me very long to do this cute layout at all. So if you are interested in learning more about the Canvo bullet journal, be sure to check out the links below. I'll leave them all in the description so you can learn more about it. Hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.